Hello everyone. In this video we want to take a look at Packet Tracer 634 CCNA version 7 Troubleshoot EtherChannel. As you know, EtherChannel is an aggregation technology that combine two link or more than two link, maximum 8 links, physical links into one logical. For example, in this scenario you can see between switches we have a 6-port channel and one by one combine two links in one logical link. Advantages are to provide high speed network and also redundancy. You can see 6 channel group that we have here, and in first part you should examine the physical layer and correct switch port mode access mode issues, because as you know we have two switch port mode access and trunk, and its rule all of the interfaces that participate in ether channel should be configured as trunk, and also port channel that we have configured also should be configured as trunk. Okay, we should go to switch 1, and here you can write in enable mode show running config, and you can see all of the setting and configuration here, and interfaces that participate in this ether channel process for all of the switches is 021 to 24 and also G01 G02. You can see all of them configure as trunk. And what about switch 2? You should go here to switch 2 and enable mode, and right here again show running config, and you can see problem first is here. All of the uh, interfaces here configured as access mode, and it's not true, and they cannot communicate together. In this situation, to correction, you should go to config mode, configure terminal, and right here interface range fast Ethernet 021 to 24 and also G0 G01 to 2. Okay, and switch port mode trunk. And what about switch 3? Enable and show run. All of them is trunking mode. We don't have any problem here, an issue. And also switch 4. Show run again. You can see it's trunk. Yes, it's correct. Yes. We have verified all the physical ports in the topology as configured trunks and corrected. Yes, only switch 2 has problem, and correct any ether channel ports that are not configured as trunk. Also, all ether channel you can see here, for example, in switch 1. We have 3 ether channel port channel here, we can see, and port channel 1 also should be configured as trunking mode. Is the first problem here. Conf terminal again, and port interface port channel 1 and also switch port mode trunk, and okay. And what about switch 2? In switch 2 also we have 3 port channel here, and both of them is access, and one of them doesn't have any mode, and it's also problem 2, 3, and 6. Okay, exit and interface port channel 2, switch port mode trunk, and also 3 switch port mode trunk, and also 6 switch port mode trunk. Okay. And what about switch 3? Switch 3, you can see here, all of them is all of them as configured as trunking. Yes, it's correct. And also, what about here? And also here, configure as a trunk. Okay. We should go and continue with part 2. Examine port channel assignment. The port and topology and the port channel and device table provide details about the physical port and their EtherChannel assignment. Use the show EtherChannel summary command to learn how the EtherChannel links are configured. Verify that the switches are configured as shown in the documentation. Okay, and correct also port channel assignment here. According to the table here, you should go to channel, for example, port channel 1 in switch 1. Okay, in switch 1, we have here, you can write in switch 1, first end, and come back to privilege, exec privilege mode, and right here, show ether channel summary. You can see we have, we don't have any problem here because all of them is true. For example, port channel 1 between configure as configure in yes, interface G01 G02 for port channel 3, also 23 and 24 is correct, and also for uh, port channel 5 is fast Ethernet 021 and 22. And what about here? What about switch 2? And in switch 2, you can see here, show ether channel summary also. And you can see, yes, for switch 2, we have G012 for here, port channel 2, and for port channel also 3. This is port channel 3 here, 23 and 24, and also 21, 22 for this one. Yes, it's correct. And what about switch 3? You should write here and yes, show ether channel summary. You can also see here it's not correct because it's PHP, but in another part we can come back here and edit it. Okay, and we don't have any problem also here. We can check which interfaces as configured in this port channel and participate in port channel. You can see here, and for port channel 4 and also for port channel 6 is true. Yes, and what about here? Show ether channel summary. Yes, problem is here. You can see both of them is yes. We can see for port channel 2. This is port channel 2. This is port channel 2, and you can see G01, G02 is correct. And what about port channel 4? Port channel 4 is here. You can see F23 and 24 should be here, but 4 interface participate in this port channel. And in this situation, you should go to configure terminal and right here, interface, range, fast Ethernet, 21 and 22, and right here, channel group, and mode should be 5, and excuse me, number should be port channel 5, and mode should be active as we have seen in this section. And you can see also there will be up, and you should click on fast forward and right again, do show interface, do show ether channel summary. But you can see there is nothing here. After we have configured port channel 5, you cannot see any protocol here, and it's also is a problem here. You should go to EtherChannel 23 to 24, and right here port channel, it should be port channel 4, and also mode should be active and it will be off, and click on fast forward, and right now again we can see LACP come back to this this group here, these groups. Okay, is correct. And in the other section, you should come here in the identifying correct port channel issues, identify protocol issue. In 2000, IEEE released LACP, which is an open standard version of EtherChannel. Okay, we should find which ones, which switches as which switch is configured is wrong mode, and in wrong mode, and configure wrong. First, we should go to switch 1, and you can see here in switch 1, enable and show again Ether channel summary again, and you can see LACP is configured here for 3 port channel, and also here enable, and also you can see also here all of them are configured in LACP mode. And what about switch 3? We have problem here about switch 3, and in this situation you should go to configure terminal mode, and right here interface range G0, 1 and 2. Okay, and first you should write here no channel group to delete and remove channel group. No channel group here. Okay, and after that, channel group should be channel group should be first number 1, and mode should be active. Okay, and it will be up. And what about fast Ethernet 021 to 22 also? Again, no channel group, and channel group should be here should be channel group for switch 3, 21, 22 should be 6 here. Okay, should be 6 and worse also. And also you can see 23 to 24 is left, and first no channel group, and channel group should be other one here is 4. Yes, and it will be up. And to show running config, you can see you have configured in write mode here. Okay, for example 23 and 24 we have configured in group 4, and also they are active, you can see here. Yes, and it's correct any switch ports, and that are not negotiating using LACP behavior, and also reissue the show the challenge summary. But in this version, you can see if you write here show Ether channel summary, you have fixed the problem and you have rewrite a new command, but still you can see PAGP here, but it's a problem about this version of packet tracer, but we have configured them in active mode. You can see in show running config here. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe me and support me. Have a nice day.